Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the first video of 2023. I had no plans of making this video, but I received this parcel today which I had ordered during Christmas, and this is my first camera bag and I'm going to unboxing this today. I never had a bag dedicated for my camera. Previously I had this bag which comes free with my Nikon D3200, which is fine, but then I bought this holster kind of thing which looks cool. I have to put my camera in here and close it and put it inside my everyday carry bag, which is this one, like this and this. But there are some problems with this thing. I mean, if the lens is longer, I cannot close it and I cannot carry extra lenses. After that, I have to carry lenses in an unprotected way, which is kinda unsafe because these lenses are very expensive. So I wanted to buy a bag which I can use as a everyday carry bag and also as a camera bag. So I decided to buy this one. This is the Nomatic mckinnon everyday carry bag. This is the version 2. I think this is the 25 liter in case of capacity. I didn't go for the 35 liter because I'm going to use this as an everyday carry bag, and 35 liter is way more than I needed. Look at this. This skull looks cool, right? Let's open the bag. This is a beautiful bag, I must say. Just for the looks, I can go for this bag anytime. In the back, there is a pirate skull here. Looks so cool. And in the side, there are magnets like this. There is a laptop area where I can put my MacBook Pro 16-inch very easily. And there are padded here. And also, the main thing is you can open this bag like this. Here you can put your cameras and everything. I mean, you guys know about this bag so much. There are tons of video about this bag, and this bag can stand by itself. I don't know that's a feature or not. My other bag can also stand by itself. Like if you go there, it just stands. See? So I don't know that's a feature or not, but yeah, they say that that's a feature. I think you already know about this loft area and this camera area, how it looks and works, because there are a ton of video about this bag, so I'm not going to be in depth for this bag. So the most important thing no one's gonna tell you is that this bag doesn't come with the cubes. I mean, come on, they can at least add one cube with it. You will be missing out all the camera management thing which they are marketing it for. I mean, come on, this is an expensive bag. You can add at least one cube with this bag. Nomatic Peter, I mean, add one cube with this bag at least. So anyway, I bought these cubes separately, and oh man, these are also not cheap. This is a premium bag, I can say. So, this is the thing. Anyway, this is how it looks with my camera gear. I can use this loft area for easy access my camera. Is it a necessary bag to buy for your camera? Heck no. Is it a good bag? Is it feel premium? Absolutely. Am I going to use it every day? Yes. So that's a quick video for you. I didn't went too deep reviewing this bag because there are a ton of videos reviewing this bag. I just wanted to add my 2 cents. If you want me to make an in-depth review about this bag, do let me know in the comment section. Hit that like button if you really like this video and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Peace. By the way, I switched to the Vinci Resolve from Premiere Pro. Next video is coming for that. See you in the next video.